Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka Pathare and I'm your sugar makeup expert for today. Since most of us don't know how important our brows are, so I'm here to tell you how important it is to have a proper groomed brow. First, it defines a personality. Second, it completes your look. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to groom and fill in your brows and complete that look. So to fill in my brows, I'm going to use Arch Arrival Brow Definer in shade 01 Jerry Brown. Okay, so without wasting a lot of time, let's get started with the demo. So it's a retractable pencil. It comes with a spoolie behind which you can use to brush your brows, and the tip of the pencil you can use to fill in the product precisely and get the desired shape. So I'm using the tip of the pencil to fill in the product precisely wherever it is needed, and I'm using the spoolie side to brush in the product and blend it into my brows. So with the help of the tip of this pencil, you can actually create an arch, which we all really like these days. And the best part about the pencil is it's waterproof, smudge proof, and it lasts for 12 hours. Isn't it the best thing? As you can see, I have filled in my one eyebrow and it actually completes my look. There's my complete eyebrow look. So I'm going to complete my other brow as well. So a small tip for everyone who's going to use this product: make sure you pick up the right product which is very close to your natural hair color. It shouldn't be too dark or it shouldn't be too light, because if you choose a light color, it will look grey, and if you choose a darker color, it's going to look too stark on your face. So choosing the right product is the key to achieve this proper look. Isn't this really easy and quick? I hope this video has inspired you all to do your brows and get that look. So before you exit, do not forget to like and subscribe to our Sugar Cosmetic channel. Bye guys!